How to use Google Sites on phone. Google Sites mobile phone tutorial. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you will be able to use Google Sites, which as you can see on our screen, would not allow us to access using our mobile phone. Now, majority would give up, but the way you could still use Google Site and take advantage of its different features through your phone is by simply clicking on the settings or the three dots on the top right of your screen and clicking on Desktop Site. By doing this, you will be able to access Google Sites as if it was a computer or like a desktop mode, since we did enable Google Sites over here or desktop sites. So now you could utilize Google Sites and its different feature right on your phone. So now that we can access it, let's start with creating our new site. In Google Site, there are multiple templates that we could utilize. You could either start from blank, which you could see here, where you will be able to manually add all the elements, but there are also templates over here that would save you a lot of time, especially if the website you're building already has a pre-existing template, just like this, as you can see. So there are some templates such as for personal, for work, as you can see here. Under personal, you have like family update, portfolio. For work related, you have some events, help center, project, and some themes over here, as you can see. For small businesses, you have dog walker, holiday party, photo portfolio, and many, many more. Now, of course, all of this template does not really encapsulate or creates a template for all of our purposes, or like it will not have all that we need. Therefore, you could take advantage still of the fact that there's templates. For example, the dog walker, you could still use this template but change it however you want. You would be able to modify different parts of it. For example, let's select this dog walker over here. And as you can see, this is our website over here. So let's switch it up. As you can see, this is what it currently looks like as a desktop mode. And let's exit this preview. And we will be able to change or modify the website by simply selecting the specific area that you want to change, as you can see. And over here, you could change it however you want. You could put whatever business name or whatever name of the website that you prefer, like the header. You could change the header type if you don't want a big cover over here. You could just simply say or put title only, which will change that. Also, don't mind the distorted appearance right now. You could also change it up like this if you prefer. As you can see, then we could move this entire thing. Let's zoom in a bit. There we go. Let's just make it bigger. We could change the settings to centered. Here we go. It's a bit difficult on the phone since it is mostly made for a PC. But there we go. We now have it centered. And then over here on the right side, we have different elements over here. So the different elements that we could add are collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, button divider, stuff like that. Everything that you're seeing right now on the screen are things that you will be able to add on your website. For example, let's add a button. Let's say the button is subscribe. And then you could put in a link over here if you want, or where you want it to be redirected to. So let's just say youtube.com for now, just for the example. Insert. And now we have a button over here at the top, as you can see. Now, you could simply select it as well, and then you could check out the type of button it would look like, whether it's text, outlined, or filled, as you can see. We could also make it bigger, as you can see here. We could put it in the center, like have it widen, as you can see. And then we could also, it's a bit difficult on the phone, you could also change or modify it once again if you prefer. You could put it inside wherever you prefer it. Example, as you can see, you could make it smaller. It's going to be much difficult in comparison to computer, since it is not built for computer at all, or like it is not built for mobile. That's why you would typically not be able to access it. That's why I'm struggling a bit right now. Let's just make it fit. There we go. I think it's better if you zoom out so that the screen doesn't move around too much, as you can see. So anyway, after that, you could also add some basic things over here on the top right. You have the text box, your images, your embed. You could also add that. You have your different pages over here. You could add additional pages if you prefer. As you can see here, you could have a new page where there's nothing in the page or stuff like that. There's also themes that we have here. If you want to change the appearance, you could say level. As you can see, it will change the appearance. We could insert some social links as well if you prefer. You could insert some YouTube videos. As you can see here, let's say this one, insert, and then it will be inserted. As you can see here, the YouTube video, as you can see, very cool. And you could view it. This is what it would look like on a PC, as you can see right now. Then you could also view it on like a tablet form, and then this is the mobile form, as you can see. And then if you're satisfied with the website that you have created, you could also click on publish over here on the top right, which will then allow us to publish to the web. Right now, by default, it will utilize a subdomain, meaning under Google. So whatever name we add here, so let's say testing, as you can see, this will be the URL. Let's give it a random letters for now. So as you can see, https sites.google.com/view/ the website that we have. So it's not going to be an original domain, but if you want to have an original domain or your own domain, you have the custom domain over here. Click on manage, and then you could put in or you put on the domain that you have. As you can see, click on publish, and then you will be able to publish now then the website, as you can see. Got it. Let's click back, and then let's view our published website. As you can see, this is our website right now. This is our published website. We have the subscribe, which will redirect us to our YouTube over here. As you can see, really cool, really straightforward. Then we could go back and then simply do the modification that you want. You could make as many Google sites as you want, like Google site websites. As you can see, I have a lot of random stuff here that I tried. We could check something like this. See, something's very new, very simple. There's also stuff like this one over here, or lawnmower, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.